Welcome to the discussion on Introduction to Income Tax Act 1961. My name is Dr. Devlipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith, we are going to discuss Unit number 1, Introduction to Income Tax Act 1961. This unit concerned with MCOM Part 1st, Semester 2, Optional Paper, Group G, Advanced Accountancy, Paper 4, Taxation. Outline of the discussion. In this discussion, we should know, we may highlight on learning objective of Income Tax Act 1961, introduction of Income Tax Act 1961. Then we want to highlight head of the income and relevant as per relevant method of accounting. Then we want to understand some key concept, important key concept of under Income Tax Act, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. Learning objective of Income Tax Act 1961. Income Tax Act we want to learn because we may understand basic concept of Income Tax Act 1961. Then we want to understand some important key concept under Income Tax Act 1961. Then we want to focus on head of the income as per Income Tax Act 1961. You may refer syllabus for detailed content of this subject. First of all, we want to introduce Income Tax Act and why we are learn this income tax subject. Income tax law is very important subject. It may academically as well as professionally. It is very dynamic subject. Hence, we want to learn and we want to understand theoretical as well as practical changes. It means we want to update our tax knowledge time to time. For the expertise of this subject, there were some tips. We want to improve our theoretical knowledge with provision of Income Tax Act. We should do more practice on practical problem. Then we want to go for test series. This helps to improve our tax knowledge and expertise. First of all, we want to introduce what is tax and classification of tax. Tax is a fee charged by a government on product, income or activity. There are two types of tax: direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax include income tax and tax on undisclosed foreign income and asset. Indirect tax, where we may classify GST, goods and service tax, and custom duty. Income tax, it is tax on income and it's charged under section 4, where mentioned every person whose total income of the previous year exceeds the basic exemption limit is an assessee and chargeable to income tax at the rate prescribed in Finance Act for the relevant assessment year. Income Tax Act firstly introduced and it came into effect on 1st April 1962, where contained 298 section and 14 civil. And Finance Act passed in Parliament each and every year. Then in our mind there were raised question, what is meant by income tax, where two key concepts, income plus tax. Every person shall pay tax on his income to Government of India because of made by Parliament of India, because this law made by Parliament, that is Income Tax Act 1961. In this act, as per Article 246, Section 1, Constitution of India, where mentioned classification and how we can charge tax were mentioned as per Schedule 7, Union List, State List and Concurrent List. In Union List, where we found 82 entries tax on income other than agriculture income. State List, where 46 entries tax on agriculture income. Then we want to understand what is Finance Act. Finance Minister present Finance Bill in Parliament. Bill contain Part A and Part B. Part A show the fiscal area of budget and Part B detail tax proposal. Once bill is passed, it become Finance Act Schedule 1, that is rate of tax. Note, its amendment amends both direct and indirect tax laws. Then, as a tax student, for the improving our tax knowledge, we should know income tax rule. As per Act 1962. As per income tax rule, administrative of the direct tax with Center for Central Board of Direct Tax, where mention form, procedure and valuation procedure of income tax. Central Board of Direct Tax provide or disclose circular and notification time to time for the provide guidelines as well as understanding about and clear guidelines about Income Tax Act and how we can pay the tax and how we can charge the tax. Then there is some legal compliances there. We want to understand that, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. In this discussion, we may highlight what is income tax, how we can classify tax, direct tax, indirect tax. Then what is Income Tax Act, what are the sections is there. Then Finance Acts means what, who one present the finance bill, how we can convert finance bill in Finance Act, and there is some legal procedure. Central Board of Tax, Income Tax, Direct Tax provide some guidelines, notification for the understanding or for the understanding and provide proper information to the taxpayer. All these things we may discuss. We are discussing this discussion. If you have any query, doubt, please contact me. My name is Dr. Divyan, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education. My email ID is paresh84jan@redmail.com. Thank you.